Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a vintage snap-on toolbox. Don't know the part number for it. I do not believe it's on the back. So this measures 24 inches across. When we look at it there, about 12 inches tall, and it looks to be about 9 inches deep. If I can get in tight, you can see the snap-on name embossed in the metal. If you know what this toolbox is, let us all know, but let's see what's in it. So I'll put this stuff down here so we can get a better view of it. First thing is in there is this scraper, trowel, whatever this is. Looks like it says Redco 4216-5. We got a couple big brass punch, some homemade. Put those on the side here. Got this tool. Looks like some kind of a wire stripper. Just says patent 47763 Taiwan. Not really sure what that's for. If you know what that's for, maybe for straightening out tubing or something, I don't know. We got these pieces here. Not really sure what these are. Looks like they would go together like that. There's two of them. Some kind of sign. Looks like it has a MRI company CO down at the bottom here. If any of you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. I've had other guys trying to figure it out. You know, it looks like it's a sign off of something. Who knows what it is? I don't. Okay. And up in the top there we got some, looks like 10 snips. This one says Midwest. This one's Crescent, number T4, made by Crescent Tool. And this one here just says forged steel. Oh, it says Eclipse on it. Okay, so that's kind of it for up in the top there. Let's see what it looks like. So now we'll take the door off the front. So this has kind of got like a piano hinge, but it doesn't, I don't think it works like that. It looks like you open it like that, but it seems kind of strange that you let that hang like that. So for now we're just gonna put the door on the side. Okay, up in the top here we got some, it's like a Durochrome 4491. This is a refrigeration wrench. Had a few of those in the days. You see they got like a 1/4 inch here. I believe this is like a 9/16. Another drive there. So it's got like 5 different ways you can use it. And then this is also ratcheting. So here is a Billings. Looks like it says 1002 701 7/16 wrench. This one I can't read the name on it. Looks like an 8-point. It says 584 7/16. The name is there, but I don't know what that says. Kind of looks like Trump's autograph there, but I don't think he made tools. Here's a 7/16 by 3/8. No name. Pretty nice little wrench. And here's a 13/32 by half. This is a Bonnie. Got some owner's marks on the back. Also got a hole drilled through it. And this 9/16 by 7/16. That's an Armstrong. There again, hole drilled through. Part 355 5-A. It's an Armstrong open end wrench. Okay. And here's something that says Rapid 3/8. It also says 1/2 inch. Looks like some kind of plug wrench, pipe plug. Here we got a couple, I don't know, call those hole saws. A couple blades. Looks like kind of a wing nut, but as you can see, there's, it looks like on the back there. No idea what that is. And then here we got some chisels. A little bit beat up. This one says K Manufacturing Company. Got a big chunk out of the corner there. So Worth. No name there. This one says Snap-on 7/8 PC 828. Kind of funny how he got that ground out there. Not sure. Maybe this one, yeah. Almost looks like this one was the same way that he's got, for a reason he's got that ground out. This is from the same lot as last week, the prepper guy. So I'm not sure. Like I said, he had about 20 toolboxes on this auction. So this is a Blue Point Supreme. Looks like a punch, but there again, it's sharpened. I don't know if this is a weapon, maybe. Made in USA, Blue Point Supreme S-905. And I can't see what it looks like. It says Zenith MWC. Some kind of modified punch. This one's Andries. Little punch to a point. And here we got. This one's a Craftsman. You see that Craftsman? Looks like 42302 WF. Little punch. Tip looks pretty good. It must be a black oxide finish on it. Got a little center punch here. No name. And these look like Snap-on, and they are. I can't read. So like 3/16. What is that? PPR 10. And here's another one, Snap-on, PPR 8. Here's a Craftsman. Little punch. Another Craftsman. And another Craftsman. So it's funny, some of these are you know, he's got them ground to a point like a pencil lead, but another Craftsman there. See, I see a name on this one. It says 3/32. Does say made in USA, but I don't see a name on it. 2/32, made in USA. Another Craftsman. 42686, 42586. I can't read it. Another Craftsman there. Craftsman. In decent shape. A little chisel Craftsman. Bigger chisel Craftsman. See this one here. I don't know if you guys can read it. I believe that's a snap-on. Take a closer look. That's actually a Craftsman. Craftsman. Guess I gotta get my magnifier to make these videos. There's a little Craftsman chisel. Another little Craftsman punch. Don't see any name on that one. Looks like a Craftsman, and it is. Craftsman. Another little Craftsman chisel. Craftsman. Craftsman punch. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Another Craftsman there. A Craftsman chisel. Craftsman punch. Craftsman. Another Craftsman chisel. Craftsman punch. And a Craftsman punch. Got a couple more in there. Another Craftsman chisel. And a Craftsman punch. So a lot of Craftsman in there. Okay, so trail this back in there and go to the next drawer. Okay, this drawer we got some tin snips. This is made in Japan. This one is a WIS M-41-R 4404. Another made in Japan. Another made in Japan. This one's also Japan. Okay, then we got a monkey wrench. It says USA, made in USA, 9 auto. Got a 27 there. This is a diamond Duluth. Excuse me. Another monkey wrench. Some guys call these F wrenches. Diamond caulk and horseshoe 11-inch. Here we got another made in Japan. This one here. It says 9 auto. Looks like it says 35 on the jaw there. I don't know if you can see that. Number 6 down on the end of the handle. Here's a made in USA 9 auto. Again, looks like it was modified a little bit, if you can see that. Tremo 6 Professional. little pipe wrench. It says size 6 on here. It says something Mont. I can't. Fairmont Manufacturing. And this here one's a Rigid, the Ridge Tool Company, Elyria, USA. Rigid. That diamond might be collectible. Maybe even that little Fairmont. Throw this back in. Get it back in there? I guess not. Okay, the bottom drawer. Got a Max seal puller, part S120. We got like a pry bar. Don't see any names on it. Looks to be in good shape. There's a scraper, carbon scraper. Old Forge 7040 USA. Never heard that brand name before. And this might be the same. Yeah, it says Old Forge 7040. It's the same tool. Scraper. So these are some knockoff Taiwan pry bars. I wonder who they're knocking off there. Another one of those scrapers. This one I don't see any name on the handle. Oh yeah, there it is. Old Forge 7040 USA. Okay. And we got some ladyfoot. That's a Blue Point. The Powercraft drift pry bar. Here's another ladyfoot. That's a snap-on 1650. And we got some bigger chisels here. Craftsman. It's another Craftsman. We got this chisel. I don't know if that's a mason's chisel for cutting brick. Looks to be in decent shape. Don't see a name on it. We got this here. Guy turned it into a scraper. Probably was bigger at one time. This is Proto wood handle, and that's a relic. There's some other kind of old pry bar. Got a nail puller there. Man, this thing's in like rough shape. Must have been rusted. It's really pitted. The guy must have cleaned it up. And this here is a raw drill, 3/4 inch. Let's see. And then we got this big blue pry bar. Vaughn Super Bar, Maine, USA. So that's what we got, guys, on this toolbox. Anybody know the part number for that snap-on box? Some guys have told me that it's worth like $400 to $500. I guess collectible, but nobody seems to be able to tell me a part number on it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be coming out with another toolbox from that estate sale next week. There's a Sears Toolbox. Well, I'll show you the pictures that they put in with this one. And this came on, it was on top of a Sears box that I didn't know it was Sears. It didn't say it on the front. Just thought it was some big red toolbox, but when I opened the drawer I saw it's Sears, so that'll be next week's. They put pictures on there, and that one is actually full of tools that I didn't even know were in it until we picked it up. So until next week, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and you all have a great week. Thank you for watching.